If you've forgotten your OneDrive password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the OneDrive sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive sign-in page. Click on the sign-in button to proceed to the login screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot My Password. On the login screen, below the password entry field, you will see a link that says Forgot My Password. Click on this link to start the password reset process. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Choose a method for receiving a verification code, such as your email or phone number associated with your account. Follow the instructions to receive the code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the provided field on the password reset page. This step ensures that you are the rightful owner of the account. Step 5. Create a new password. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it by entering it again. Once done, save the changes. Now you can log into OneDrive using your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for future reference.